All right, now I'm on P216. The number of student absences is shown below. What is the mode? So again, I would make a dot plot, and which number comes up the most. Kelly is making a histogram of the number of pets her classmates own. On the histogram, the intervals are 0 to 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7. What is the range of the data? So range, it starts at 0 and goes all the way up to 7. That's all that the range means. 0 to 7, that's the range. The lowest number to the highest number in the data set. Okay, the area of the base of the rectangular prism shown is 45. So the base is 45. The height is 5.5. What is the volume? So length times width, they already did that, times height. So we have to do 45 times 5.5. So do that and you'll have your answer. Okay, the frequency table shows, one second. Frequency table shows the number of runs scored by the Cougars in 20 of their baseball games, and what percent of the games did they score 5 or fewer runs. So that's going to be all of these scores, and there are 17 of them, and there are a total of 17, 18, 19, 20, and then we make that equivalent to 100 because percent means per 100. So if we multiply that by 5, this numerator, when you do 17 times 5, that will be your percent. All right, number 5, there are 5 plates of bagels. The numbers of bagels on the plates are 8, 10, 9, 10, and 8. Shane rearranges the bagels so that each plate has the same amount. How many bagels are now on each plate? Well, this is kind of like our counters that we used earlier. So if we make those out, I'm going to take one from the biggest, which was 10, make that 9, give it to one of the smallest, which now that will be 9. Take one from the 10, making that 9, and give it to the smallest, that will be 9. So how many bagels are now on each plate? 9. By how much does the median of the data set 12, 9, 9, 11, 14, 28 change if the outlier is removed? Well, let's just find it. So we got to put them in order from least to greatest. 9, 9, 11, 12, 14, 28. The median, let's check the middle number. So we cross out one from each side. Okay, we get 2 numbers left. That's going to be 11.5. Okay, now let's do the same thing, but with the outlier 28 taken out. So now we start at either side, crossing out, and we get 11. So how much does the median change? It changes by 1/2, and it decreases by 1/2. By 0.5 or 1/2. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.